Yes. Hi there. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about the layers of the atmosphere. Okay, so you look up in the sky, right? You might wonder, how long does it take to get from Earth to space? Okay, and you also know how, say in your school, the sun here, okay? Mr. Sun. Okay, so Mr. Sun here, okay, shoots out harmful radiations, but thanks to the atmosphere, it stops that. But how? When we're looking in the atmosphere in depth by the layers of the atmosphere simplified. Alright, let's start from Earth and move up. We have the troposphere. In the troposphere, this is mainly where you would see weather, like clouds and stuff like that. So when you look up, there are clouds and stuff. So this would be where the troposphere would be. So this is where weather is set. Just above that is the ozone layer. This is basically the layer that absorbs the harmful radiation from the sun. So that way, so basically the ozone layer basically protects us from the radiation of the sun. Okay? Then after that, just above it is the stratosphere. The stratosphere is basically like this area just above the troposphere. This is where mainly planes, commercial planes go, because there's no weather, like storms or thunder, so they just go above it. So this is where planes would be at. And the temperature there is like minimal. Then we have the mesosphere. This is where asteroids and meteorites burn up, and the temperature there is very hot. So that's the mesosphere. Just above that is the ionosphere. Okay, it's hard to see, but it's just around like. Well, no, it's a part of the thermosphere, a very hot area of the atmosphere. The ionosphere is just over here, where there are basically a bunch of ionized atoms that live in that area, and it can be very electrocutive. Okay? And that's what the thermosphere is, and then at the very last of it, we have the exosphere. This is the outmost layer of the atmosphere. Not much known is about it, but this is the outest layer of the atmosphere before we hit space. Okay, and those are basically the layers of the atmosphere. So for a recap, troposphere, this is the closest to the Earth. This is where weather happens. The ozone layer, this is where the harmful radiations of the sun get absorbed. Stratosphere, this is mainly where commercial planes go through, and the temperature is minimal. Meosphere. The meosphere is where asteroids burn up when they crash on Earth. This is also a very hot area. Ionosphere. This sphere is basically a segment of the thermosphere, a very hot place in the atmosphere. And the ionosphere, which is a low part of the thermosphere, is made up of a bunch of charged, ionized atoms that can be quite electrocutive. Then last is the exosphere, the final layer of the atmosphere until we hit space. This is not how you spell it, but it's just, space.
Exactly.
Just space. And those are basically the layers of the atmosphere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.